Does cracking your knuckles actually damage your joints? Or is that just a myth? Let's break it down, or should we say, crack it. Surprisingly, cracking your knuckles is not harmful, at least not the way most people think. The sound comes from gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid, not from bones grinding or joints breaking down. And research? It shows no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. That said, excessive or forceful cracking might lead to swelling or reduced grip strength. But for most people, it's just a harmless habit, so crack your knuckles without guilt. But don't annoy your coworkers. Did you think it caused arthritis? Drop a thumbs up if you've been cracking for years. And subscribe for more myth-busting health facts.